Dear student, this is Artist Tiklu Dey. Warmly welcome all of you to my online drawing class. I hope you are all well and healthy by the grace of Almighty God. Today, I will show you how to draw easily. So let's start today's class without delay. First of all, take a 2B pencil and white paper to draw. Now, draw your picture gently on paper with a pencil. Now, draw outline with a black marker on your drawing. Now, take a color of your choice and start coloring your drawing. When painting, be very careful so that the color does not go out of the outline. There is one more thing to keep in mind so that your hand does not rub the picture. It can ruin the picture. The drawing is almost done. Before finishing the painting, make sure that there are no empty spaces left out. Now I have finished my painting. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's class well. You will practice the picture shown in today's class at home and upload your drawn picture in the comment section. I will try to answer. So for today, I hope to see you again in the next class. Everyone will be fine and stay with the drawing. Goodbye.